Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up or disable face unlock on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, make sure that your camera security shutter is open so you can see yourself in the camera. Make sure that the lights are facing you and not your camera, as this will blur your face in it. Then open the start menu and go to settings, and after that open accounts section on the sidebar, go to sign in options and select facial recognition. Then select setup, tap get started, and then enter your PIN code. Then you're gonna have to move closer to the camera and look directly in it and wait until your face is registered. I'm gonna have to adjust the angle so that the laptop actually can actually see my face. Okay, and once the square is filled with blue color, your face is successfully added to your account, and then we can safely click close right here. And then let's try to unlock the laptop using the face. So let's select sign in options right here, face recognition, and let's look directly at the camera. And as you can see, I just successfully unlocked the laptop. Now to remove the face model from the laptop, we're gonna have to press remove right here, select remove right here, and then your face model will be removed from the system. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.